Now we will be able to see the internship which we have accepted. So once your internship starts, every day you have to go to this internship diary option, select your internship, pick a date. So currently you'll be able to see that the previous dates are open where you can do the entry. So going forward, once your internship starts, you will not be able to go and do backdated entries. You will have a maximum of 7 days to make changes to your entries. So as Sir mentioned, it is mandatory for each and every student. You fill your internship diary on the same day. After 5 p.m. before 12 a.m. like midnight, before 11:59 p.m. You please fill your internship diary on the same day and submit it. So now I will show you how this entry need to be done. I'll select today's date and I say continue. Now here you need to put details about what you work today, that work summary. Now let's take, I learned some basics, learned on some basics of construction technology. And let's say that basic is some CAD drawing, right? So I can put those details here. This you need to put in detail, and I would request all the students to put whatever you have learned on that same day. Then you need to put how many hours you worked in that same day. Let's take, I put 4 hours here. Then similarly, if you have some reference links to your work, you can put that. For example, usually computer science students will have GitHub, similar kind of links which you have worked on. Those links can be placed. And even civil students, mechanical students, you will have a link to your maybe CAD drawings or tools that you have used, the work you have done. Those links can be put here. If you don't have any links, these are optional fields. You can leave it empty. So then post that, you need to put what are the learning outcomes that you had. So you can put in detail, what did you learn there. So now in the interest of the time, I'll just take the same text and I'll put it here. But you need to enter the actual details because systems comes with a evaluation pattern for this. This diary entry is sent to your a guide, internship guide as well. So coordinator will evaluate each and every entries. So you have to put the actual information here. And you can also put any blockers, risks that you find towards the technology or the field that you are working. Those details can be put here. And you can put what are the skills that you have learned or you have used while learning that. So that you can put, maybe let's say I put BIM for construction is the skill that I have used for today. So I'll put that and I'll save it. So that entry will appear here. So there is an option called internship diary entries. You'll be able to see every entry that you do under this option. So it will be keep adding and you will be able to access those entries in the later stage. As I told you, you can view the entry that you have done and you can also edit that entry, but you will have a maximum time of 7 days to edit the entry. And similar way, sometimes your guide may ask you to resubmit your diary entry if you are not put a detailed information. So during that time also you need to edit and resubmit by changing the details. You can actually go and change details here. You can add and you can save the diary again. So that updated information will come. So this is with respect to internships. I will quickly recap what we have done. So we have applied internship option where you will be able to see all the applications that you have applied for internships. You will have options here to withdraw the application, accept and decline the application. So you can accept the offer. You have saved options where you can see all the saved internships that you have. Then there is an internship diary, which once your internship starts, you need to fill on daily basis and you will be able to access your diary entries here. I will also quickly explain the project steps for students who have queries. So if you come to projects, students who are undergoing project in this semester have to use this option. So here we have provided a detailed steps how this project creation works on VTU portal. So you can click on this learn more. It will give you all the detailed steps, how this option works and what are the actions that you need to do from your end. So that is very explained in a very detailed way. I would request all the students to go through this. I'll come back to project again.